Oh, 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 I am a poor, wayfaring stranger. I'm traveling through this world of woe. Yet there's no sickness, no toil nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my Father. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. And I know dark clouds, they'll gather round. And I know the way is hard and steep, but beautiful fields lie just before me, where God's redeemed all their vigils keep. And I'm going there to see my mother and all my loved ones who've gone wrong. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home now, 'cause I wanna wear a crown of glory when I get home to that good land. And I wanna shout salvation story in concert with that blood-washed band. I'm going there to meet my Savior and sing His praises forevermore. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home now. See, I am a poor, wayfaring stranger. I'm traveling through this world of woe, and there's no sickness, no toil nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my Father and all my loved ones who've gone home. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. Yeah, I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home.